Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, and where we need to position ourselves, and how can we play for tomorrow's market. First, if we look into today's market, it was a quick sell-off. As soon as the market opened, it was a quick sell-off. There was a big gap down. Up until here, I noticed we might find a little bit of a profit booking, but later I realized there was a single print here. So I thought no, the selling will continue, and the market was sold off. There was a big sell off. You can notice the sellers were dominating the market, and markets went down, little bit of a consolidation. The buyers were buying a little bit, but still the sellers were dominating the market. Here I noticed the sellers were trying the market. They were trying little bit. I thought at second half the market might bounce back. Later I noticed here a little bit of an absorption in the market. So once the absorption took place, it got sold into again. Not much movement in the Bank Nifty today, as you noticed. There was a gap down, and the first candle itself, it was 300-400 of a sell off, and most of the time it was in a consolidation mode, and later it got sold into. As soon as the market touched at a 31,100 in the futures market, and it took a support at 34,100. Cash market was 34,000. So it was a psychological number, and the sellers, they stopped selling. Little bit of a selling was coming, but the buyers were a bit aggressive, and they started to lift here. And this was our entry point, and our stop loss would be 10 to 15 points, not more than that. This was a very good confirmation. A good amount of buying was coming in the market, and we would have entered a long in here. So the later market, they lifted the market a little bit higher and higher side. I thought it is a profit booking, but later I realized no, it wasn't a profit booking. It was someone is coming and buying at the lower levels. How I know it is on the lower levels? As you can see, good amount of a buying is coming, and the buyer was holding the prices at higher levels. Net to net, there was a good amount of selling was net amount of the selling has happened in the market. And as you can notice, at the futures market, 34,600 was the high, and in the cash market it was 34,500 was the high. Net to net, at the closing basis, there was a negative delta. That means the big players, they sold the market into, and they brought the markets at around 34,000 prices. Let's see what we can do for tomorrow's market. Let's see the structural format. Let's analyze with the structure. As you can notice, in the Bank Nifty, it is inverse V reversal at a 1 day's time frame. Usually what it happens when you have a inverse V reversal, the market goes up. When it comes at a starting point, it spends some time. The buyers and sellers are in confusion whether the market is going down or it is going up. So when it went up, the sellers, they bought the market at a lower prices. As we have noticed, there is 1, 2 and 3 3 days the market sold into, and there is no profit booking, and 34,000 is a very good psychological number, and it is a very good support, and I feel it is a very good value area as well, where we can start to accumulate. So 34,000, we found a very good support in the market, and from 34,000 the prices got bounced into. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow? Let's go into 5 minutes time frame. So if you look into 5 minutes time frame, a little bit of a consolidation, market got sold into, incremental bounce of a profit booking, and a consolidation, and a market got sold into. Again here a consolidation, and the market went higher, and you can notice very clearly the market is in consolidation phase. So tomorrow if the market opens flat, or if opens flat and if it crosses like 34,500, and if the price sustains for 5 or 10 minutes, then we can go for a long, and we can see the targets of 35,000 tomorrow. If market opens gap down, don't short the market, just look into the market like where the price is moving. If the price is crossing this swing, then you can initiate a position with small quantity. If the market is opening gap up, if it is coming down and if it is retracing back, then you can position yourself and go for a long. The best strategy would be like if the market opens flat and if it starts to spend some time in this range in between 34,500 and 34,300, if it starts to spend time and if it breaks out, we'll have a very good buying opportunity, and we can see the markets moving, accelerating higher. As you've noticed, like the people who have sold here, their stop losses will be here. If the price crosses 34,700, it will immediately reach 35,000, and if the 35,000 has been broken, we might even see like 35,200 and 35,500 as well tomorrow. So keep an eye on buying side itself. Don't short the market. As you can notice, like there is a good incremental buying has happened in the market, and markets are being sold into for consecutively 3 days. So I would suggest you to wait for 1 or 2 more days. If the selling continues and if the price crosses 34,000, we can aggressively short the market. I'll be posting the charts and other things in the Telegram channel. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. I'll be posting some interesting and learning videos as well. Thank you. Thank you so much.